G'day, I'm Dr. Philip Button from Food Entrepreneurship Academy here in Docklands Park, actually, with some Docklands buildings in the background. Lovely spot on a sunny summer afternoon. I'm here with my co-founder from Food Entrepreneurship Academy, Mr. Naushad Dalal, our Academy Director and Lead Product Development Scientist. And we've just been to Foodservice Australia and had a really insightful time. Really interesting, and saw all kinds of new things. Spoke to some people about their food products. Saw hospitality equipment. So while it's hospitality, there's certainly still some interesting things that we were able to take away, some insights, and meeting some good people as well. From the food manufacturing perspective. So yeah, we also had the privilege of meeting Ivy and Adrian, who are the founders, and they operate the Good Seed kefir, and we developed their product last year, and this is it here, just released 5 days ago in Coles, and it's absolutely fabulous. They've got three variations, and it's a prebiotic beverage, so really innovative to support probiotics. So, Naushad, what else can you tell us about this product that makes it, why is it good for gut health, and what can it do?
First of all, I would say thank you, Philip, for the introduction. So we developed this product for Ivy and Adrian. It's called Gut Saute. Uh, the whole idea behind this product is to have a prebiotic drink, which is much more healthier in the supermarket, in more of a sparkling section, sparkling beverage style. So basically, the product it's more of a flavored sparkling beverage with added acacia gum fiber, which is a prebiotic, which is very high in fiber. The product has 7 grams of fiber, and it's only got 17 calories. Basically, no added sugar, and naturally sweetened by sweetener called tomatin. Very good product indeed.
And so the three flavors. What was the other one?
So the third flavor,
forgotten.
there's 3 flavors,
Oh,
right?
watermelon.
Watermelon,
Yeah.
one blood orange, and one blackcurrant.
Yeah. So yeah, it's new on the shelf at Coles, and really recommend going to check it out. So that's one of the newest available products at the moment, and yeah, they were there, and we caught up with them and saw this product. But one of the other things that I really saw quite a lot was we know that plant-based foods, it's such a revolution, and so many different types of plant-based foods are really booming, but they seem to have a really strong presence at this trade show. So it was quite great to see that, actually. But yeah, Nashad, what else do you reckon was quite prominent, or in terms of trends, or from people we spoke to and things we saw and learned, what do you think is the way that things will be developing in food trends and consumer demands in the food manufacturing space?
I think the next 5 to 10 years is basically mainly on the plant-based and vegan products in the market, and which we saw today, right? I mean,
Hmm.
I would say at least 70% of the new products were in that category. So, and it's not just like mock meat or something like vegan chicken or vegan fish, but there's plenty of much more nutritional way to do pancakes, plant-based
Hmm.
pancakes, also the kebab mixes and vegan chocolates, right? The
Yeah.
one which we
Yeah.
saw. So there's much more interesting, and what I feel that it's going to be the next, what I foresee next 10 years is supermarket is going to go crazy with the new range of products which are much more healthier than what currently is
Yeah.
there. So I think you would see a lot more changes there.
What I think is really an exciting time is that we're clearly moving away from the early generation
Mm.
products in like the plant-based meat space. So like some of the initial ones, for example, in like the fish one you tried,
Mm.
is so different from the like first or early generation products, and
Mm.
I think that's quite a quite an exciting period as we get products that are really mimicking those sensory attributes.
I mean, yeah, that was really good. I've tried many plant-based fish before, big meat, and this was completely different because they, in terms of sensory, they had the the texture was still, I would say, not perfect 100%, but
Yeah.
the flavor was spot on. It was 100%. Like it
Mm,
was a flavor of fish, like more of a fillet of fish from
amazing.
McDonald's. So
Yeah.
that was there. I think in next few years, as like you said, the first generation is always trial and error. Like you improve on, and I think we are getting closer and closer with this new era of products, which is like plant-based and vegan products.
Yeah. Yeah. And
And what's interesting more is that it's not just plant-based and vegan, like for the sake of it. They all the products carry some functional benefits in it,
mm,
which is actually good for our health. So I think that is very important.
that's right, because I think a lot of the early first generation products were, as you say, plant based just for the sake of it, and quite unhealthy because of
Mm.
what they're using,
Mm.
uh, for the purpose of replicating or trying to replicate those sensory attributes. Now, one thing we did come across is a few people talking, not only from attending Food Service Australia, but also from our own experience, is about tablets, effervescent tablets, and you know that could be something even in the short term quite big. What do you make of that space, Richard?
I think this in tablets has always been there in more of a supplement range, but slowly a lot of these young entrepreneurs want to deliver into food category now. So
Mm.
we saw somebody wants to do through like the oat milk, the other one like in a prebiotic fiber way,
Mm.
exactly the same way. So there are plenty of like options, but I mean the struggle would be to find the like the ingredients which could actually form a tablet.
Mm.
The supplements category right now is full of sugars and like it's unhealthy carriers. So it will
Yeah,
be very interesting to find and work on like with people to develop new innovative products. And I think the tablet comes into picture with much more conveniency as well.
mm.
So the convenience is the biggest thing these days. If yeah, which like does not take that much space to carry,
Mm.
and you could have it anywhere, anytime. So I think that's very important.
That's right. Yeah, the convenience or lack of convenience, is certainly a pain point of many people today in our super rushed lifestyle. Yeah. Okay. Well, there you go. That's our that was our take on Food Service Australia, and what we've seen and what we've come across, and yeah, it was really good. So if you're in town here in Melbourne, register and get along and yeah, see some of the interesting products and interesting people that are there. But yeah, that's all for us, and thanks very much for
Thank you.
watching this video, and we look forward to welcoming you again to one of our next videos. In the meantime, it's yeah, Philip,
Nasher, thank you.
and
Thanks, guys.
yeah, thanks a lot, and we'll see you around next time. Take care,
Thanks.
and bye for now.
Bye.